Ever wondered how a simple root like ginger can aid in resolving some common health issues? This humble, knobbly root, with its distinctive spicy sweetness, has been a staple in culinary and medicinal use since time immemorial. Originating from Southeast Asia, ginger has been a part of traditional medicine for more than 2,000 years, its use spreading across the world over centuries. You might know it as a flavor enhancer in your favorite dishes, but did you know that it's packed with potential health benefits? From relieving digestive discomfort to reducing inflammation, boosting immunity, and even possibly supporting heart health, ginger's benefits are as diverse as they are impressive. It's not just folklore or old wives' tales. Modern scientific research is continually validating ginger's role in health and wellness. But how does this simple root do it all? What's the science behind its benefits? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey exploring the health benefits of ginger. Let's delve deeper and explore the health benefits of ginger. Ginger, a natural remedy, has been popularly used to alleviate digestive issues. This spicy root is not just a culinary delight, but also a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly when it comes to digestion. Let's start with nausea. Whether it's due to motion sickness, pregnancy, or a side effect of certain treatments, ginger can help soothe an upset stomach. It works by blocking the signals to the brain that trigger feelings of nausea. Next up is bloating and indigestion. Ginger can help here too. It contains compounds that stimulate the stomach and intestines, speeding up the movement of food and reducing bloating, but it doesn't stop there. Ginger also helps reduce inflammation in the gut. It does this by inhibiting certain inflammatory compounds, thereby promoting a healthier digestive system. So ginger not only adds flavor to your meals, but also aids in your digestion. Keep in mind, the key is moderation. So go ahead and give your gut the gingerly touch. Inflammation and pain are common issues, but did you know ginger can help manage them? Let's dive into this fascinating aspect of ginger's health benefits. Packed within the flavorful root of ginger are potent compounds known as gingerols and showgales. These natural agents are the secret behind ginger's anti-inflammatory prowess. Gingerols and showgales work at a cellular level, inhibiting the production of chemicals in the body that trigger inflammation. By doing this, they help to reduce inflammation and the related pain that often accompanies it. This can be particularly beneficial for those living with chronic inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis. But the benefits don't stop there. Studies have shown that these compounds can also help to reduce muscle soreness after exercise, and may even reduce the severity of menstrual pain. So whether you're dealing with a sports injury, a chronic condition, or just the occasional aches and pains, ginger could be your new best friend. The power of ginger extends beyond just flavoring your food. It can also help in reducing inflammation. Looking for natural ways to boost your immune system? Ginger might be the answer. This root has been prized for centuries for its health benefits, one of which is immune support. So, how does it work? Ginger contains compounds that are bioactive, meaning they interact with our bodies in specific ways. One such compound is gingerol, a potent antioxidant. Antioxidants are our body's first line of defense against harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, ginger helps to support our immune system and protect our bodies from chronic diseases. Additionally, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, which can further support immune function by reducing inflammation in the body. But that's not all. Some research suggests that ginger could even enhance immune responses. So next time you're brewing a cup of tea or cooking a meal, consider adding a bit of ginger. Ginger, in essence, could be your immune system's friend. Nausea and blood sugar imbalance are problems that affect many. Can ginger be of help? Well, it turns out, ginger has been a trusted ally in combating nausea for centuries. It's a go-to remedy for morning sickness in pregnant women, offering a natural, gentle way to ease discomfort. But its benefits don't stop there. Ginger also assists those dealing with nausea related to chemotherapy or motion sickness. Its active compounds interact with your nervous system and digestive tract, helping to soothe and stabilize. But what about blood sugar regulation? Interestingly, ginger may play a role here too. Some research suggests that ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially improving insulin sensitivity. This could be a valuable tool for those managing diabetes or trying to maintain balanced blood sugar levels. With ginger, nausea and blood sugar regulation can be more manageable. So, next time you're feeling a bit queasy or need a blood sugar pick-me-up, remember, ginger could be just the ticket. Heart health is vital for everyone. But how does ginger come into the picture? Well, let's delve into that. Ginger, this humble root, is packed with bioactive compounds, which may contribute significantly to cardiovascular health. One way it does this is by potentially helping to lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, so keeping these levels in check is crucial. Now let's talk about heart disease itself. This is where ginger's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties shine. By reducing inflammation and combating oxidative stress, ginger may help lessen the risk of developing heart disease. And there's more. Ginger may also play a role in lowering blood pressure, another critical aspect of heart health. High blood pressure can lead to several heart-related complications, so keeping it regulated is of utmost importance. So there you have it. With its potential cholesterol-lowering, anti-inflammatory and blood pressure-reducing effects, ginger might just be the heart-friendly root you need. Like all good things, moderation is key when it comes to ginger. This powerful root, while abundant with health benefits, needs to be consumed with a bit of caution. Excessive intake of ginger may lead to an upset stomach and cause discomfort, particularly for those with a sensitive digestive system. The potent compounds in ginger that provide its health-boosting effects can interact with certain medications, potentially leading to undesirable effects. Therefore, if you're on medication, especially blood thinners, diabetes medications, or high blood pressure drugs, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating ginger into your diet. Individuals with underlying health conditions should also practice caution. For instance, if you have a heart condition or you're pregnant, seek advice from a healthcare professional. This ensures that you reap the benefits of ginger without any unnecessary complications. Remember, ginger is a powerful root with many benefits, but it should be consumed responsibly. Ginger, a simple root with an array of health benefits. Let's recap the wonder that this humble root holds within its fibers. From settling your stomach to soothing your joints, ginger has proven its worth in the realm of health and wellness. Its digestive properties alone are a testament to its power, alleviating discomforts like nausea, bloating, and indigestion. But ginger doesn't stop there. Its anti-inflammatory compounds work wonders on conditions like arthritis, while its immune-boosting properties and antioxidants help ward off harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's also a trusted ally for those battling nausea, from morning sickness to motion-related queasiness. Its potential role in regulating blood sugar levels and boosting heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure makes it even more remarkable. However, always remember to consult with a healthcare provider before making it a staple, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Next time you think of ginger, remember, it's more than just a spice. It's a natural health booster,